Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Huren Fatima from TMRS Girls 1 Nirmal. Today we are going to deal with notice. Notice, it's a minor discourse of English and it have 5 marks. So friends, first of all, what is notice? So we have to know what is notice. So notice, it is a written or printed information. It is written or printed information which is targeted to group of persons. Which is targeted to groups of person. So for why we write the notice? For any event, any function, or for giving instructions. Mostly the notice is written for any event, for any function, or for giving any instructions. So how the notice, it should not be exceed 50 words. Every time you have to write the notice in indirect speech and a passive voice. So if you are familiar with the indirect speech or passive voice, you can easily write the notice. Next thing, we should not use personal pronouns in notice. Personal pronouns. What is personal pronouns? Example, I and we. We should not use these personal pronouns in the notice. Before writing the notice, we have to check 6WH. So what is this 6WH? First thing, what is the notice is about. Then who, to whom we are writing the notice, means to whom we are targeting in this notice. Then where. So where the location is, means if it is an event, we have to write the location, the site. Then when the occasion, event or anything, function, it is going to take place, the time and date you have to mention. What to do, means it is also for instructions. Notice is also used for instructions, no? So instructions also is given in that. And whom, so at lastly, to whom we contact or get touch in the notice, this 6W should be mentioned clearly. It should be mentioned clearly. At the time only your notice will be perfect. So now next we will go to the format of the notice. So let's see the format of notice. And before I will tell you, I just want to tell you that the notice, it is also should be in the box. So, and I have told you that notice, it should not exceed from 50 words. So first we will see the format of notice. First of all, you have to write the name of the organization. Name of the organization which is issuing this notice, you have to write. Then after that, in the next line, you have to write notice in the block letters. Then this side, left side, you have to write the date. What the date on when you are writing the notice. After that, in the middle of the page, write the title or headline. Means it will tell you that what the notice is about. After that, here it comes the body of the notice. Here it comes the body of the notice. After completing the body of the notice, it should not be exceeded from 50 words. Remember it. Lastly, write the name who is issuing this notice and the designation of that person. After completion of this, draw a margin and complete the box. So here the notice is completed. So let's once again remind that name of the organization you have to mention in the first, notice in the block letters, date at the left side, in the middle, title or headline, what the notice is about. Here it comes the body of the notice, and lastly the name of the person and his designation. Hope it helps you. Thank you.